Hi, this is Litre Tailor Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Mazda CX5, stock number 6847. This ran from the 2nd 2012 to the 12th 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The front guard has a scratch. Left front 17-inch factory American tyre. Left hand door mirror has paint chips. Left front door, one scratch. Left rear 17-inch factory American tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory American tyre. Right rear door, one dent. Right front door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right front guard. Right front 17-inch factory American tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Right front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.